So starting the test drive here in the GLC 300 4MATIC, ride quality is pretty solid. Now with this kind of vehicle, especially around $62,000, it's not going to ride like a GLS, but ride quality is pretty good, even on this rough terrain here. And the seats are pretty comfortable yet extremely supportive. And I kind of got a bit of a test of this vehicle before starting the video, and I like the driving dynamics. I like how the turbo sounds. I like just how you have all of that almost 300 pounds of torque at your fingertips with this 9-speed automatic transmission, and you can just throw on the paddle shifters at any time. And the shifts are pretty quick. And I love in this kind of view here when I'm in sport mode how I can see G-force, I can see the PSI, the oil, I can see the horsepower that's coming out, the pound-feet of torque that's coming out, and then I can see the revs right in the middle there. And then just by holding up the right paddle shifter, I can go back into a normal drive mode. And especially if I'm in comfort mode, it's nice to be able to do that. If I just need to pass somebody, turn the paddle shifters on, then when I'm done, I can just go back to cruising. But sport mode is pretty peppy, which I'll show you that here momentarily. But the comfort mode, you still have quite a bit of power. And then your eco mode just limits you a bit based on throttle response, so you're not burning through gas. I'm gonna put it into sport mode now. And let's use the paddles here. So again, love the feeling of the boost there. So we'll give it some throttle here. So pretty fast. But I love the sound as well. Just a great sound coming from the powertrain and the exhaust. Now in terms of competition, you have BMW's X3. I'd even throw the Lexus NX in there. And then maybe Lincoln's Corsair around this price point in terms of luxury, having a 2-liter turbo engine. But this one just feels, it just drives so nicely, and you just get a sporty feel at the same time. Now, of course, I think you'll get that from BMW, but Lincoln, you're probably not going to get that from. Lexus, again, you don't really get a sporty feel from that vehicle, in my opinion, but that's not what they're going for. But I love that Mercedes is providing you a sporty drive while also providing you a comfortable one. And of course, features galore. Love the M-Bug system, the panorama roof. And again, these seats are pretty comfortable while also being pretty supportive. But another huge shout out to Mercedes-Benz of Music City for allowing me to review this car today. I'll leave a link below in the description if you do want to purchase it. But they've been selling pretty well, especially in this Starling Blue. Again, love the color. Just a great color. But let's see if we have time to put in an eco mode. So it definitely limits your throttle response, like it just threw itself into that 9th gear to maximize on fuel efficiency. And again, it's great to have something that gives you the best of both worlds. You can be comfortable and economical, or you can be sporty and a little fast if you want to. But a great, luxurious, small SUV option. And this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2023 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 4MATIC.